Hi, Kristen here. I've got some news about my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be changing the name of it. So, and here's the reason why. So I've actually got two blogs. One is called Upcycle My Stuff, which is what the channel is currently called. And that's a more general sort of DIY hobby craft, recycled crafts kind of site. It's got loads of different stuff on it, from fabric to furniture. My other blog, Scrap Fabric Love, is all about scrap fabric quilting. It does include sort of upcycled denim and reclaimed materials and things like that. But it's also just way more focused on quilting and scrap quilts and all that good stuff. So, and as you can see, that's what I've been posting videos on anyway. So it makes sense really for me to be linking the blog that's about scrap fabric quilting with the channel that's about that. So I hope the name change won't confuse you too much, and I'll see you in my next video.